We all have seen electric scooters on the road, but we have not seen a factory where the electric scooters are made. So today I'm visiting an electric scooter factory. It's not big or proper factory, it's a small sub factory probably, which caters to the regional needs. And since I've done a few videos with Raft Motors, I was given the permission to go inside the factory and shoot. So just let's go and see how the magic is done. So this is the main part of the bike, the chassis. The chassis is then kept upside down on this rack. This is where the handle comes. So on the chassis, the first part that goes is this part, which is called a swing arm. I think it goes over here. And this is where the shock absorber goes. This part, the rear shock absorbers. And then you have the side stand, which I think goes over here, and then the center stand, which again goes over here. So these four are the first things that are attached to the chassis, and then we move on to phase 2. Then we come to the second stage or phase of the build. So this is the front shocks, which is fixed to this, and this is called the gasket, shock abs gasket. Then we have the key lock, which you turn on the vehicle. This is the horn over here. Some basic wirings are done for the speedometer and everything. And then here we have the controller, which is basically the brain of the scooter. Here we have the converter. This is basically to supply power to the headlights and horn. And this is the alarm. So if someone kind of tries to take away your bike, it will sound an alarm and you can be alerted. So that's the second phase of the build of the electric scooter. One main thing which I missed for the second phase is the handle. Handle is a kind of the important part of the scooter. So yeah, this also gets fixed in the second phase. So this is the third phase of the electric scooter building. Here we have the front logo panel, which is attached. Then we have the headlight. We have the headlight panel, mudguard over here, and on the sides we have this. I don't know how it has a side long panel, and then we have the side logo panel and the tail light, and here we have the tire panel. So those are the parts which are attached over here. So all the fiber work is done over here. The black part, the yellow part, everything is covered in this phase. One important thing which is fixed in the second phase is the tire, which I completely forgot. The motor of the electric scooter is in the tire. So this is very important for it to move. So this is the fourth phase of the electric scooter building process. In the fourth phase, they have kept the display and the indicator panel, and then obviously the seat and whatever is inside. So all the wirings and everything is done. It's all ready to go, and the carrier is also attached over here. The battery is down. We just have to keep the battery inside, and the scooter is good to go. So this is the final product. After the fourth phase, you have another phase called the fifth phase, wherein every single thing is checked, and then the vehicle is test drive and then ready for dispatch. So yeah, so that's it. That's how an electric scooter is completely built from scratch. So hope you like the video. This is the entire process of how an electric scooter is made. This factory is of Raft. It's a very new factory. It's not yet set up, but for me, they kind of assembled a vehicle for me. And Mr. Amit Tiwari, the factory in charge, was a person who helped me. So thank you, Amit. And yeah, if you like the video, do share it and subscribe. Bye.